Dozens of new jobs are coming to Virginia Beach.
Manufacturing company called Sanho will soon have a plant in Virginia Beach, their first North American headquarters. The announcement brought in Governor Terry McAuliffe to Virginia Beach today.
This is a real game changer for Virginia Beach and for Virginia, because once you get a couple of these, more and more are coming.
Southern Vermont gets more money for housing. Governor Peter Shumlin is expected to announce a $2.8 million grant initiative from the Vermont Community Development Program.
8 different communities were awarded money Wednesday afternoon. A total of $2.8 million in grants is going to help finance affordable housing and job-creating projects.
When we do these grants, we're talking about jobs, economic development, and a better future for Vermont.
Governor Raimondo signed several energy measures into law today. Part of the program includes help for people to finance solar generators.
Now, it also means more jobs. Solar City, a company that specializes in rooftop solar panels, says it will launch a new hiring push at its Coventry offices.